Hi everybody, it's Mrs. B from the New City Library. I wanted to share another little film with you today. About the beginning of April, I started to hear one of my favorite spring sounds. The spring peepers started to sing. They're very tiny frogs, a little bigger than a small paper clip. And they start to sing to each other when they wake up from their hibernation. They live in marshy, boggy areas, and they can be heard through the spring and early summer, even in the daytime if you listen very carefully. They're easiest to hear in the evening because there's less noise from cars and everything at that time of day. So I hope you can listen carefully and hear them on my film, and hopefully you can hear some around your house or when you're out for a drive. See you next time.